Good morning, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. New Hampshire health officials consider how to implement new federal vaccine guidance. Federal officials urge states to expand eligibility, say they won't hold back second dose. New Hampshire health officials are trying to figure out their next steps after new federal guidelines were released Tuesday calling on states to expand access to COVID-19 vaccines. White House officials said vaccines aren't being distributed quickly enough and more people should be eligible now. We're telling states today that they should open all of their vaccinations to all of their most vulnerable people. Alex Azar, Secretary of Health and Human Services. That is the most effective way to save lives now. Azar said states should now include everyone age 65 and older along with younger adults with medical conditions in their next phase of vaccination. Expanding eligibility to all of the vulnerable is the fastest way to protect the vulnerable, Azar said. It's simply much easier to manage altercating vaccines and appointments to everyone 65 and over rather than narrow, more complex categories. Azar said the government will release the entire supply it has for states rather than holding back vials for second doses of the vaccine. A second dose is needed for the vaccine to be effective as possible. Our approach continues to ensure that there will be a second dose available for someone who gets a first dose of the vaccine, Azar said. It's unclear how New Hampshire will implement the new guidelines. In a statement to News 9, Governor Sununu said that state is reviewing all information and new guidance coming out of Washington and is awaiting critical information from the administration regarding supply availability. Azar said the federal government will allocate vaccines based on how quickly states are administering them, as well as the size of the population age 65 and older in each state. About 20% of people living in New Hampshire are 65 or older. And that does it for this morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back here later on today for another news report. Goodbye, everyone.